You know, when we think of gold, we often just think of something shiny, right? But it is so much more than that. We're talking about a powerful symbol of trust, tradition, and a value that endures. It's something that has truly captivated us for thousands of years.
But have you ever really stopped to wonder why? I mean, what is it about this one metal that makes it so incredibly precious to us? Well, that's exactly what we're going to dive into. Okay, so to really get started, we've got to look at gold for what it truly is. It's not just about the price tag. Its real worth goes way beyond that. It's woven deep into our cultures, a symbol of trust, of tradition, of something that lasts.
Now, to really understand that value, we first need to get a handle on its quality. So how do we even measure the purity of gold? Well, it all comes down to one key word: carat.
So what in the world is a karat? It's actually pretty simple. It's just a unit of measurement. Think of it like a report card for gold, graded on a scale up to 24. It tells you exactly how much pure gold is in that piece you're looking at, and the rule couldn't be easier. The higher the karat number, the purer the gold.
And this chart here really lays it all out for you. Look at 24 karat. That's the top dog, 99.9% pure gold. It's as pure as it gets. Then you've got 22 karat, which is still incredibly pure at 91.6%, and 18 karat. That's 75% pure gold, with the other 25% being other metals mixed in, usually to make it stronger. Okay, and this is where it gets really practical. Purity directly affects what the gold is used for. That super pure 24 karat, it's actually pretty soft. That makes it perfect for things like investment coins and bars, things you're not going to be wearing every day. Now, 22 karat, that's the sweet spot for a lot of traditional jewelry. It has that beautiful, rich, deep golden color. And 18 karat, because it has other metals mixed in, it's much stronger, which makes it perfect for more detailed, stylish designs that need to be durable.
So if there's one thing to remember, it's this. It's super simple. Higher carat equals higher purity, and you guessed it, a higher price. It really is the golden rule when you're buying gold.
But you know what? Gold's value isn't just about carats and percentages. Not at all. It's also about its story. A story that literally connects us to our past. So let's do that. Let's step back in time, thousands of years, to really understand why it has such an enduring legacy.
All right, picture this. We're in an ancient kingdom. The king calls for his most talented artisan, a man named Aryan, and he asks him this timeless question: why? Why is gold so precious? Now, for Aryan, the artisan, the answer had nothing to do with money or economics. He didn't just see a shiny metal. No, he saw it as a divine blessing, like a little piece of the heavens that was gifted to us here on earth.
And so, his reply to the king was this: because it is not destroyed, just as truth and faith are not destroyed. Wow, just think about that for a second. What a powerful idea, right? He's connecting the fact that gold physically lasts forever to these big human ideas, these virtues that we hold so dear. Gold doesn't rust, it doesn't tarnish, it just endures.
And that ancient idea, it absolutely still resonates with us today. Gold is still this huge central symbol in our culture. Think about it. It marks our biggest moments, weddings, festivals. It represents our family heritage, that trust that's passed down through generations, and it gives us this incredible sense of lasting security. Okay, so how do we take all of this, the history, the meaning, and use it to make smart decisions today? Because knowing gold's story and its real value, that's what empowers you. So let's talk about your purchase, and maybe even more importantly, your security when you decide it's time to invest. All right, so if you're thinking about buying, here are 3 super simple, crucial steps. Number 1, always check the carat. You need to know what you're paying for. Number 2, look for the official hallmark stamp. That little mark is your guarantee of quality, your proof of purity. And number 3, put those 2 things together so you can truly understand the purity of what you're investing in. Because really, at the end of the day, it boils down to this one simple truth. Correct information is the mark of a correct investment. Being informed, being knowledgeable, that's your single best tool for making a wise, secure purchase that's really going to hold its value.
And that brings us to a final thought. We've talked about purity, value, and this incredible